Hey beautiful people, I picked up these two beaded bags in a recent Zara haul. I love beaded Zara bags, they are absolutely fabulous. They seem to make the most amazing ones, so I treated myself to two of them. The first one is this fabric beaded tote bag. It's got the most gorgeous little silver beads on it. When it arrived, it was actually really heavy. I was quite surprised, but I absolutely love this. I think this will be amazing in the summertime and I can't wait to wear it. The second bag I got was this purple beaded bag. It's also got sequins on it. This is really gorgeous. As you can see, I got this stunning blazer as well and a few other things. I couldn't help it. It's a bit of a tradition, I think, the Zara sale this time of year. Anyway, this beaded bag is absolutely gorgeous. It's got sequins on. I love the Fendi sequin bag in this colour, and to me this was the next best thing. As you can see, it's got a crossbody strap. It's not attachable, which is a bit of a shame, but it's still beautiful. Which one was your favourite?